Hey, I'm Jake with TripodTorch. This is a newer product that's the warmest, smallest campfire on the market. It packs down into this canvas bag. Everything you need besides the propane fits in the bag. It's the warmest because we utilize a vertical burner. This is sending the heat sideways instead of up. Every other fire pit, the flame goes up and you lose a lot of the heat right out of the top. But ours sends the heat sideways, so you feel it. We call it heat to your seat. You can turn it up a little bit higher so you can see, and that flame is just coming out at you and you can feel it all the way around. I have the one shield on there to protect from the breeze that's coming through here, and that's allowing the heat to billow around it a little bit more. It does come with all three shields. Over here you can see it with all three. With just two of them, you can direct the heat straight to one side. And with all three of them, you can cook on top. It'll support a kettle or a cast iron skillet, and you can cook on top. But it's all stainless steel, made in USA. It comes apart, everything fits in the bag along with the hose and everything. And it makes a great campfire, nice little centerpiece to your campsite. It's very bright, so you can see all the faces of the people sitting around telling campfire stories. So it's a great fire pit. You can find it at TripodTorch.com. If you use code SAVE20, you can save $20 off, which gets you the same show price we have going on here. And we do free shipping in the USA. It's also made in the USA and comes with a lifetime guarantee.